Cyclone Remal, which struck Meghalaya on the 26th of May 2024, has caused widespread destruction across various districts. The cyclone brought strong winds and heavy rainfall, leading to landslides, fallen trees, road blockades, floods and building collapses. One person has died and 4 others were injured in a landslide at Maukanraw bypass in the Maulai CNRD block. The injured have been taken to the Negrims Hospital for treatment. Reports indicate significant damage in other districts of Meghalaya as well.
Baik dulu kan. Sasra. Sau steng sennaim tu. Sau baca ni marba perwatuan nam. Isno bah labrion tai tengiro ni kendit ngelak kendit kia tai perba. Kendit kia. Kendit Perlu ngilak ke no he one sini amyo ring video you rel ayarap saya brio atau mensau si wegen bersau mensau tu mer wei ba bahasa kote atau saya kalau pikir saya tip tambala pun dah won ruit nak kini kerja kerja kuma South Stem dan Stem kerja oleh beli kerja tua dengan kendo kakum ka sigatu marang kayo tiket itu for Hyundai school na lembah di Rabas no titiknya untuk ngelawan benda kada ni kai ka baca lembah dan kita sambut dan tikna para trimestri bahasa makeshift mah nanti jaga tua bagi lama sa dalam titik itu